Hey traders, happy Labor Day. I hope everybody had a great Labor Day weekend. Just wanted to come on and give a quick chat. We finally made it through the slow summer. I know many of us have been looking forward to the fall because the summer was so slow in terms of the volume and the movement with trading. So I don't know. I hope everybody is looking forward to the fall, looking forward to after Labor Day. Hopefully, we all learned a lot this summer. We've developed our skills, we've practiced, we've gotten better. And if y'all are like me, you're hoping to really show a lot of improvement between now and Christmas. So I just wish everybody the best. And also wanted to talk a little bit about what's going on with the prop firms. I guess at this point it's not all prop firms, but specifically, what is it? My funded Forex. Anyhow, it is a Forex prop firm where the assets have been frozen, and a case has been brought by the U.S. government as well as the Canadian government. So definitely have been dreading this day. I always felt like this funded trader, these funded trader businesses may not be around very long, and unfortunately, I haven't really reaped the benefits of being funded yet. And I really feel like I've wasted a lot of time, and now the regulation is here. And I definitely don't know what's going to happen with these companies. I mean, clearly, this particular company that's at issue now just was clearly unethical, and I hope that the other companies are not doing anything to that level. But notwithstanding the active activities trying to make sure profitable traders failed, there are other issues such as, can this type of business run in the U.S.? Can this, they seem to not understand a lot about the model of the business, having a drawdown limit, or specifically a trailing drawdown limit. So I don't know. It just seems like the government may not want that type of business, or maybe it doesn't understand that type of business model. So it definitely makes me a little bit cautious. I want to definitely proceed with caution. I don't know for sure. I'm assuming Apex is registered in the United States. So, as well as Top Step. But Top Step has been in business for a very, very long time. And so have other businesses. Lilu, I'm pretty sure that one is in the United States. You profit as well. So I really think this my Forex, or my funded Forex, I think its problems are more related to the unethical way it conducted business, as opposed to just the model. Because even though it was running its own brokerage, the way it did so, going specifically against the traders, I mean, its whole business was set up as a scam. like a Ponzi scheme. So the leaders at Apex have always said, look to see whether or not the company you're dealing with has a path to putting you on a live account. Is there a path to a live account? Because you want traders producing their own income and the company getting a percentage of that and the trader getting a percentage of that. In that case, then that's a business model that's more sustainable than just solely depending on the fees of losing traders to pay out winning traders, and at the same time making it impossible for the winning traders to continue to win. So it really is just awful. But I've always believed that there should be diversification. There should be diversification with everything that you do. So right now, Apex is the only funding company that I'm dealing with because I haven't gotten funded with them yet. But it has always been my intention to be funded with multiple companies because we don't know what could happen to any company. So I do want to become funded with more than one company, assuming that I can even be funded with one company. But yeah, that was always my intention to be funded with multiple companies. Additionally, I'd kind of gotten off of the idea of trading my own account, but in light of what's going on, I really do think that I will go ahead and fund my personal account again. I don't know that I'll start trading it right away, but I do think I will start building my own account. I do have my own personal account with NinjaTrader. I do have the lifetime license for the NinjaTrader platform. So it's not funded right now, but I do think that within the next few months, maybe by Christmas, maybe I could try to start off with something small, even if I would just have to trade micro contracts in that. So yeah, I mean, I don't know what's going to happen. I am glad that the government is dealing with my Forex funds because if what's in that complaint is true, that was just a very unethical company. And again, Daryl and the leaders at Apex, their thoughts were the opposite. They do want there to be a path to traders being on live accounts. And even if traders are not on live accounts, they have the option to copy the trades. So it, in my understanding, it is a company that is producing a stream of income out of the market. And just from what I've heard other CEOs saying, even Top Step, I think that's why some of their rules were so strict. And when I was first introduced to Top Step, you could only have, I think, one account because they were more towards gearing people towards live accounts. It's an actual prop firm, an actual proprietary trading firm. So obviously you do have to be really careful with that risk. So, and even the funded trader, I've heard their CEOs speak a lot about trying to use the data and determine, well, which of these traders are going to be profitable, because that's what you're trying to do is get these profitable traders into the market to produce unlimited money. Not to say that collecting fees for evaluations, resets, what have you, those are legitimate forms of legitimate streams of income. But obviously that's not the whole goal of the company. In my estimation, these companies should be just like SMB Capital. It's just that everybody's remote. And I'm not sure what kind of credentials you have to have at SMB Capital. If you're a trader there, do you have to have a Series 7? I don't think so, but I don't know. I have no idea. I don't know. That would be interesting, because if that's the case, what's the difference between Apex and an SMB Capital? I mean, this is all very interesting, but just in terms of how it affects me, I just really need to take this all a lot more serious. Stop wasting time. Stop breaking my rules. Get serious about this. Go ahead and get these accounts funded, and stop letting this opportunity slip through my fingers, because we don't know how long these prop firms will be around in their current state. We don't know how long we'll have the opportunity to use them. We may for the next 100 years. I don't know. I certainly hope so, because I do think they're very beneficial, especially if they're run ethically. But at the same time, just being a smart business person, and a part of being a trader is being a smart CEO of your own business. You're an entrepreneur. Then just to protect myself, I do think I want to be funded with multiple companies and also fund my own account. But those are just my little thoughts on what's going on. I certainly hope that Apex and Top Step and UProfit and One Up Trader and Lilu and Take Profit, and I think I always want to call it TikTok or Tick Tick. I hope they're all around, because honestly, I do think it's a great business and such a tremendous opportunity for all of us. So I just want to wish everybody the best. We made it through the summer, and I hope everybody has a good last quarter, or I guess we're not in the last quarter yet. Maybe we are. I don't know. But a good fall, this period from after Labor Day up until maybe Thanksgiving or Christmas, December, what have you. And I hope that we can all do well in our trading businesses. So just be true to yourself and follow your rules. Let's take it seriously. And thanks to everybody in the Discord. Thanks for encouraging each other, and just being there to support each other. But above all, just be true to yourself, and let's follow our rules, and let's make this happen. I want this for me. I want it for you. And for those of you who are already doing it, well done. All right. I'll see y'all next time.